In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer Jotform ownership. If you're handing a project off to a teammate, moving forms to a different account, or just organizing things a bit better, transferring ownership is a simple way to make sure the right person is in control of your forms and data. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that currently owns the form or forms you want to transfer. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials so you land on your Jotform dashboard. It's important that you're in the correct account because the transfer will happen from this owner account to another one. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, an avatar, or a small user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu gives you quick access to your account-related options and settings. From that drop-down, you'll see several options related to your account. Find and click on the option labeled Data. This will take you to the data management section for your Jotform account. Think of this area as your control center for anything related to how your form information is stored, backed up, and, in this case, transferred. After you click Data, a new page will open with various settings and tools. Now start scrolling down the page. Take your time and move past the sections related to data export, backups, and other data controls. What you're looking for is the section specifically about transferring forms. Keep scrolling until you see a heading or area labeled Transfer Forms. In the Transfer Forms section, you'll see an option to start the transfer process. Look for a button that says Transfer Form and click on it. This is the main action that begins the ownership transfer. When you click this button, Jotform will guide you through choosing which forms you want to move and which account they should go to. Make sure you double check that you're selecting the correct forms because ownership changes can affect who can edit or manage them going forward. As an added security measure, Jotform will ask you to verify that you're really the owner initiating this transfer. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter an authentication code. This code is typically sent to your registered email address or generated through your account's security settings. Go to your email inbox, find the message containing the authentication code, and then carefully type or paste that code into the field provided on the Jotform page. After entering it, click the Verify button. Once your code is verified, Jotform will proceed with the transfer based on the options you chose. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can securely transfer Jotform ownership to the right account while keeping your data safe and organized.